Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, you are highly welcome. My name is Rebecca. So in today's video, I'll be sharing with you one of our effective remedy we use at home whenever we have a cough and cold. So if you like to see the process, please stay tuned and keep watching. So guys, here are what we are using for the remedy. I have lime and orange. Then ginger, then honey. So I have to start by peeling them. So after peeling, cut them into pieces. Yeah, cut it in pieces. So if you don't know guys, orange and lemon are very high in vitamin C, which are good for our body and health. So after peeling it, when cutting it, remove the seed. Yeah, make sure to remove the seed. Yeah. So here is the ginger. Make sure to wash before cutting the ginger. Yeah, I have to wash it before cutting it. It's very important. So now is the time to add water. Add water before blending. So after blending it now, I have to drill out the juice. Yeah, I have to drill out the juice. So recently guys, I'm doing this remedy because my husband is having cough and cold. So I said, okay, as I'm doing it, let me take you guys along so as to show you guys one of the remedies we do at home, we use at home. So it's very effective, very effective. You can drink it when it's warm or when it's cold, how you prefer it. It's very effective. Yeah, so the sound that is playing at the background, how do I put it now? I have no copyright of it. Yeah, because I don't know if you have been watching my videos, you see some of my videos I don't even put music, I don't add music because I'm having that fear of copyright. I'll be having copyright claim. I don't know which song, which music I should use again. So recently my husband helped me to play one or two sounds. Yeah, play these sounds because I told him but it should not be relating to any type of music, just sound. Yeah. So that is what I use. So this is our sound. So don't give me copyright claim. Don't give me copyright claim. So guys, here is the juice. Now we'll be adding honey. Yeah, because honey is good. Honey is good to heal sore throats and it's also relieve cough. Yeah, it's very good. So I'll be adding 1 teaspoon of honey. Then mix it very well. Yeah, to mix it. How to mix it very well. If this video is valuable to you guys, please don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and put on your notification bell so as to get notified whenever I upload new video. Alright guys, see you in my next video. Bye.